Have you ever thought about repurposing old items for garden decor? This delightful practice not only reduces waste and saves money, but also adds a unique, personal touch to your garden. Stay tuned to learn how to transform your old items into beautiful garden decor. To start, gather all the old items you think could be given a second life in your garden. Consider repurposing things like outdated furniture, unused kitchenware, or even old clothes. And don't forget your transformation tools: paint, brushes, glue. Now that you have all your materials, it's time to get creative. Here is a simple step-by-step guide to repurpose your old items. Let's start with that old chair collecting dust in your garage. Remove any loose or chipped paint, then give it a fresh coat of your favorite color. Once it's dry, secure a sturdy flower pot where the seat used to be. There you have it, a charming plant holder. Now onto that old teapot. First, clean it thoroughly inside and out. Next, attach a sturdy string or chain to the handle. Fill it up with bird seeds and hang it from a tree branch. Voila, you've got yourself a quaint bird feeder. For each project, remember to take your time. It's not about rushing to finish, but rather enjoying the process and pouring love into every brushstroke or twist of the wire. And voila, you've just transformed your old items into beautiful garden decor. Just imagine how much more interesting and unique your garden will look with these repurposed items. It's not just about aesthetics, though. By giving a second life to old items, you're also contributing to a healthier planet. It's a creative and eco-friendly way to decorate, and it's sure to be a conversation starter among your guests. So, why not give it a try? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.